Imagine standing at the edge of the unknown, staring into the vastness of the cosmos, where secrets lie buried beyond our reach. What if the greatest mysteries of the universe are not just unknown, but deliberately hidden, locked away by forces beyond comprehension? Imagine truths so profound and so dangerous that the universe itself enforces barriers to keep us from uncovering them. These mysteries might not justify understanding, they might unravel reality as we know it. In the early 20th century, Kurt Gödel reshaped how we understand the limits of knowledge. His incompleteness theorems revealed that within any consistent mathematical system, there are truths that cannot be proven within the system itself. This was groundbreaking. It meant no set of rules or equations could fully explain everything with its own framework. Applying Gödel's insight to the universe suggests that reality itself might contain truths forever beyond our grasp. Like a book with missing pages, the cosmos might hold essential knowledge that we'll never uncover. Some scientists even speculate that these limits could be intentionally safeguards to protect the stability of existence. Gödel's work challenges the very idea of a noble universe, reminding us that some truths may remain out of reach, not because we aren't clever enough, but because they are fundamentally unknowable. Consider the story of Alan Turing, whose work on computation highlighted a similar boundary: the halting problem. Just as Gödel revealed unprovable truths in mathematics, Turing showed there are questions even machines cannot answer. Together, these insights challenge humanity to rethink the limits of both logic and discovery. His revelations forces us to confront the possibility that our scientific and philosophical pursuit have intrinsic limits. If certain truths lay beyond comprehension, how does humanity reconcile its unrelenting curiosity with the acceptance of perpetual mystery? Not because we aren't clever enough, but because they are fundamentally unknowable. The universe stretches endlessly in all directions, filled with stars, galaxies, and phenomena beyond our wildest imaginations. Yet for all its vastness, there are places we cannot go, and truths we cannot access. Take the idea of hidden dimensions, or multiverse, a collection of alternate realities existing alongside our own. Theoretical physics suggests these might be real, yet we cannot reach them. Why? Perhaps the universe has built a cosmic firewall, barriers that actively block us from accessing these forbidden realms. Imagine these barriers as safeguards. What if they function like cosmic firewalls, actively maintaining the balance of reality? These safeguards might manifest as physical limits, like the event horizon of a black hole, or as principle encoded in the laws of physics, ensuring no being or civilization can disrupt the fragile structure of existence. What if probing too far into these mysteries could destabilize space-time itself, tearing apart the fabric of reality? Consider black holes. They aren't just fascinating cosmic objects. They might be locks, preventing us from uncovering deeper truths about the universe's design. It's as if the universe whispers to us, some doors should never be opened. For decades, humanity has searched the cosmos for signs of alien life. We've scanned distant planets, sent signals into the void, and built technologies to detect even the faintest whisper of extraterrestrial civilizations. But all we hear is silence. This is the Fermi paradox. If the universe is so vast and full of stars, where is everyone? One unsettling possibility is that they are gone, not because they didn't exist, but because they found something they shouldn't have, something that led to their demise. Perhaps these civilizations uncovered forbidden truths, just as humanity's pursuit of nuclear energy opened the door to devastating weapons. These civilizations might have delved into knowledge so dangerous that it led to their own destruction. Imagine a thriving alien civilization that uncovered a cosmic secret, a way to manipulate space-time or tap into unimaginable energy sources. Their sudden disappearance left behind cryptic signals, fragments of their technology, and ruins that tell no clear story. Could their silence be a testament to the peril of exceeding the boundaries of understanding? Maybe they accessed the hidden codes of the universe, broke its rules, and were erased as a result. The silence of the cosmos may not be a mystery at all. It might be a warning, a grim reminder of the costs of stepping beyond the boundaries of knowledge. In this way, the Great Silence becomes more than an unanswered question. It becomes a cautionary tale, a void filled with unspoken danger. Now, let's take this a step further. Imagine humanity discovering a way to directly manipulate the underlying code of reality. A breakthrough so profound that it unlocks the power to reshape physical laws. In the rush to harness this newfound ability, unintended consequences arise. Spacetime begins to fracture, creating anomalies that spread uncontrollably. Entire regions of the universe destabilize, consumed by chaotic forces. The once promising venture to master reality spirals into an existential crisis, leaving humanity to wonder if some secrets are meant to remain untouched. Consider the possibility that the universe operates in a false vacuum state. That is not a vacuum as we understand it in the traditional terms, but a higher energy state that is temporarily stable. It is a delicate balance, one that could be disrupted by forces we are not yet prepared to control. If we were to probe too deeply, if we were to unlock the hidden structure of spacetime or manipulate the fundamental forces, could we trigger a transition from this false vacuum to a true vacuum state? The laws of physics as we know them would unravel, and the universe would cease to exist in its current form. This potential shift could be the ultimate safeguard built into the universe's design, an unintentional feature meant to protect reality from tampering. The false vacuum could serve as a cosmic failsafe, preventing any civilization from reaching a point where they could destabilize the system. The universe, in this sense, could be intentionally structured to remain beyond the reach of those who might seek to understand it too fully. In this scenario, the mysteries we encounter, black holes, dark energy, quantum uncertainty, aren't random. They could be deliberate constructs, programmed to prevent us from discovering the creators of our reality. Think of a computer game. Players are limited by the boundaries of the game world. They can't see the code running behind it. But what if players hacked the game, altering its rules or accessing areas meant to remain hidden? Such actions could destabilize the game world, introducing glitches or even crashing the system entirely. What would happen if we hacked the universe, uncovering forbidden truths or manipulating its underlying structure? Would we gain ultimate power or risk unraveling reality itself? We are limited by the boundaries of the game world. They can't see the code running behind it. What if we are living in a cosmic simulation with similar restrictions? That idea becomes even more chilling when we consider what might happen if we broke through these barriers. Imagine uncovering the cosmic source code that governs everything. Could we rewrite the laws of physics, transcend time, or create new universes? Or would our discovery trigger a system-wide collapse, erasing us from existence? Perhaps these barriers are not just safeguards, they are warnings. The mysteries we cannot solve might exist not to frustrate us, but to protect the universe from us. In quantum mechanics, particles behave differently when observed. This phenomenon, known as the observer effect, suggests that the act of observation changes reality at the smallest scales. But what if the principle applies to the universe as a whole? What if reality itself adapts when we try to observe or measure its ultimate truths? Imagine this: as we probe deeper into the nature of existence, the act of observation itself alters what we find. In quantum mechanics, particles behave differently under observation, as if reality is shifting to conceal its deeper truths. Could the universe be designed this way on a grander scale? For example, attempts to measure phenomena like quantum entanglement or dark energy often seem to raise more questions than answers. It's as though the closer we get, the more the universe ensures its ultimate secrets stay hidden, veiling itself in an ever deeper layer of mystery. The universe shifts, ensuring that certain knowledge remains hidden. It's as if the act of seeking causes the answers to slip further away, forever beyond our grasp. This idea turns the pursuit of knowledge into a paradox. The closer we get to uncover the universe's secrets, the more elusive they become. The barriers aren't just physical, they are woven into the fabric of reality itself. Hints of something darker have lingered throughout our journey, but now we arrive at the most unsettling possibility. The universe may have a purpose, and it's not a benevolent one. What if the cosmos is not a neutral stage for life, but instead an intricate balance between chaos and order? While some perspectives suggest the universe might be malevolent, extracting energy or suffering, others argue it could be inherently indifferent, simply following the natural progression of physics and entropy. Alternatively, the fine-tuning of physical constants might hint at a benevolence, crafting conditions favorable to life. Could these interpretations coexist, or are we missing a greater truth altogether? Are we an experiment designed to extract energy, consciousness, or even suffering from its inhabitants? This could explain why the universe appears fine-tuned for life, yet is filled with entropy, destruction, and death. In this view, the barriers to forbidden knowledge are not there to protect us. They are there to ensure we can't escape. The ultimate secret of the universe might be that it's not a sanctuary for life, but a trap. This revelation flips our understanding of existence. The universe isn't just mysterious, it might be actively hostile, and we are part of its design. As we explore these ideas, one question lingers. Should we pursue forbidden knowledge? The cosmic firewall, the silence of alien civilizations, and the countless mysteries we face are a reminder of humanity's unrelenting curiosity. From mastering fire to explore the atom, our greatest achievements have often come with great risks. Yet, history shows, this drive to know more has shaped our progress, for better or worse. Could it be that our desire to push boundaries, despite the warnings, is what defines us? Or will this very curiosity lead to consequences we cannot foresee? Quantum foam, Gödel's limits, and the dark purpose of the universe. All these mysteries hint at truths that may be better left undiscovered. Perhaps the universe itself is telling us to stop. To cross these boundaries is to risk everything: our understanding, our existence, and the stability of reality itself. But as humans, curiosity drives us. The choice is ours. Will we heed these warnings, or will we push forward, no matter the cost?